'Cause I'm just a sinking ship, and you're just a pair of lips that I've lost.
Alright, so right now we are at our favorite spot. I pick up the camera today. Darren, what are we doing today?
We're gonna see about men's health today, men's mental.
Right, so what we gonna do? We gonna cook?
We're gonna cook duck, chicken, and provision, and we're gonna chill out in the water, discuss the world issues today,
Yeah?
and then chill out and relax.
Nice.
We're being very cautious about the water, and we're not damaging the environment. They're just retired in the water.
What we have here?
Right. So we have our condominiums. The curry powder. We have a bit of Guyanese curry, Trini curry. Mix up here inside here. That's the goodness. And then we have the onion and garlic. We're gonna cut up that. And do the duck first. Welcome to Trinidad and Tobago.
Johnny, what we cutting up here?
Some nice yam here from Maracas. Nice yellow yam. Boiling soft like butter, they say. You know, you ain't planted. You just buy it.
The man say the yam boiling like porridge. That's his exact words.
Sure.
So if this thing take 3 hours to boil, I'm going back and look for that man.
You really don't know. We're hoping for the best here. The same time, them fellas coming out.
Right, this is the curry being mixed up here. We can throw that in just now as soon as that stuff ready.
What else we cutting up here now?
Some sweet potato. Looking good so far, man. Cut it up and then fry.
I'm sweating. That is it. This is a new drink by. See?
Scorpion?
Yeah, River Scorpion.
Alright, so I kind of went down a big rabbit hole. I got into these little TRX 4Ms, building them, doing a little custom build on these. There's a Land Rover Defender, and this is a IR40 Endura with 70mm wheels. And we go and do a little rock crawling competition, dog. Where for? Yeah. Like do a rock crawling competition?
I don't mind. Me, the most.
Alright, so pick your poison, Nick.
Which one wouldn't die on me? Like, you know, the one that I can rough up and it won't die.
Anyone.
Okay. I'm gonna choose a controller. This one.
Okay,
Which
so
one
you
is
see
it?
which one this is.
Alright.
This is the FJ40.
FJ40. That is.
This one.
Okay, this one. Oh, that's real cool.
Yeah.
This thing is heavy.
Let me do a rock crawling competition and see who wins.
Ready?
Yeah, little water.
Get some rice.
Oh! That's that.
Better go and get outside.
Without you by my side, I can't survive. I need you to survive. Without you by my side, I can't survive. Cause without you by my side, I can't survive.
Door rise, you know. Yeah, I can see road that river don't come down by door rise. Listen, the kind of rain I get up here.
Alright, Johnny, what we have here?
Boy, the provision oil down.
Oil down.
Provision oil down.
Uh-huh.
Season up nice.
So,
with
what we
everything.
paying that with, Nick? What we paying that with?
We have curry duck
So we have curry duck.
and we have curry stew chicken on that side there.
Show me the Darren.
The proper.
Yeah, man. Whoa, this water deep, boy. Anyway, your boy driving the four-wheel drive Tida.
Stick more to the
It's
left.
too
Huh?
dark in here, boy.
Stick more to the left.
Stick more to the left.
The left.
Nah.
The left. The left. No, the left. That's not the left.
Alright, so we pack up. Most importantly, we left the place clean and tidy. And we're rolling out now. Hey Nick, end the video.
Yeah, man. Thanks for. What are you doing?
Man, now wake up from a good sleep driving on the North Coast.
Yeah, boy.
Tell the vlog something, end it. Tell people to subscribe.
It was fun. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell Kyle that you want more. Peace out.